Get ready for the Shindig Club Fair this Wednesday, August 26th. Come discover a wide variety of clubs, including auto, drama, esports, robotics, and many more. We hope to see you there. Calling all aspiring performers. Auditions for the Percy Jackson musical are happening after school on August 24th and 25th in room B02. Check the bulletin board outside B02 to sign up for an audition slot and to find tech crew applications. Mark your calendars for the 64th Annual Valley Center Fall Festival, Thriller Nights in the Valley, taking place on September 25th and 26th. Enjoy a parade, carnival rides, live music, and local vendors. A quick reminder for all students. Picture Day is tomorrow, Thursday, August 27th. Be sure to mark your calendars and come prepared. For students in band or PE, if you miss your scheduled time while in class, please make sure to get your picture taken later. Internship, WSU Tech, and senior release students should also ensure their photos are taken by 5th period. Don't miss out on your memories. You can order your 2026-2027 Valley Center High School yearbook now for $40 until September 18th. Visit the website provided on screen to order and personalize your cover. Support our Hornets. Season passes for all home athletic events are on sale now. Packages are available for families, adults, and students. Join us for the Fall Sports Preview on August 27th at the VCMS Gym and District Stadium. It will be a full evening of team introductions and scrimmages. Admission is a case of water donated to our athletics program. Here is a look at the athletic schedule for the week of August 9th through the 15th. Please note that some times are subject to change, so stay updated. Please take note of the Valley Center High School bell schedule to ensure you are on time for all your classes throughout the day. Check out the lunch menu for the month of August. Remember that all meals must be paid for using our prepay system, so please ensure your account is funded. Don't forget to order your 2027 yearbook online at Jostin's website to secure your copy today. Need help with your future? Meet our college and career advisor, Ems Grantham, in Office A16. She can assist with college exploration, FAFSA, and more.